Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to come on here and share with you my Ipsy bag for the month of August. Yes. So I got my bag. I'm excited to see what I got. Okay, let's open it up. Okay. So obviously, everything fits in the bag. Oh, this is cute. It's super cute. It's like a hunter green. There's a little name tag. It's got the little tassels on the side. Everything fits in the bag. It smells like a nail polish exploded in here. The bag is very detailed. I'm not sure if you can see that. Super cute. Excuse my nails. Okay. Here is the card. This month, use your 5 glam bag picks to celebrate and highlight all the things you love or are learning to love about you. And there's the list of things. So let's go ahead and pull out the first thing, which is probably this that I've been smelling. It's a nail polish in a little baggie. Excuse my nails. Ipsy probably knew that I needed to redo them. Oh yeah. So that's what I was smelling. So the nail polish obviously busted. Not sure if it's cracked or if it was just, oh yeah. I'm gonna definitely call about that. Cracked, broken. Ugh, I'm just glad it didn't get in my bag, so I won't be using that. Pretty color though. Really nice. It's like a nude color. So the next thing I have is this moisturizing eye balm from Believe. Super cute and tiny. Let's open it up. Oh, it smells good. It's very thick. Feels good. Feels very cooling. It says it's supposed to moisturize up to 24 hours. 26 hours. Okay. Got that Bombay Honey Moisturizing Cleansing Foam. I haven't heard of this one before. So it is a gentle cleansing experience with its rich, ever-scented lather, leaving the skin feeling all day hydrated without stripping the skin. Open this up and see what it smells like. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it's really thick. So the next thing I got is this eyeshadow from Estate. Not sure if you can see that. Oh, that's a very pretty copper color. I like that. I'm going to definitely use that. Last but not least is Huda Beauty, which I love. I don't have any pieces from her collection, any of her collections, so I'm excited. And this is a lip contour called Trophy Wife. I'm excited to try this. It's very smooth, so I'm excited to try that. So I'm a little bummed that my nail polish was broken, but let's go ahead and read. So the Huda Beauty Lip Contour and Trophy Wife. We love everything this beauty influencer turned makeup maven creates. And this waterproof lip pencil is no exception. It glides on to help shape your lips, stop lipstick from feathering, and extend the wear of your color. And the rosewood hue looks great on all skin tones. I'm excited to try that out. The next thing is the eye balm. This formula is spiked with comfrey leaf and pennyworth herb to flood your under eye area with hydration for 26 who knows hours. Whether you want to look more awake or it's time to tuck yourself in, the cooling effect feels refreshing and sends puffiness packing. I'm excited to try this out. The eyeshadow in the Estate brand, which is the Pipe Color. This is all of Estate's cosmetic products are cruelty-free, paraben-free, and phthalate-free. This buttery, buildable, and super blendable eyeshadow doesn't fade easily. And this beautiful burnt orange shade reminds us of a summer sunset. Yes, it's very gorgeous. Okay, the nail polish is from Nails Inc. Professionally formulated vitamin infused polishes are beloved by nail artists around the world for fresh summer mani. Try this pretty pearl scent peach shade. It's super glossy, long lasting, and ergonomically designed brush makes it easier to apply. Well, I'm sad because I'm not going to be able to use it. Okay, and the last one is the Papaya Recipe Bombi Honey Moisturizing Cleansing Foam. This Korean skincare brand believes the best products are made with natural, healthy, raw ingredients. Great for dry skin types. This foaming cleanser made with honey, propolis, and olive fruit oil gets rid of dirt, oils, and makeup while nourishing skin with moisture. Yeah, I'm excited to try these out. I love this picture. It's so cute. Everything's so natural and glowy. So this is for the month of August. I did get it pretty late because we're already in the second week of August. I normally get it the first week of each month, but it came a little bit late. I'm not sure if it's because of the storms that have been going on, but that's it, you guys. If you have any questions, comment down below. I will be happy to answer them, and look out for my Ipsy try on. I'm going to go ahead and try all of these products on just to share with you what they look like. I know I did kind of a swatch, but yes, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope everyone's having a great week so far. I know our kids are going back to school on Monday, so I'm excited so I can upload more videos for you guys. But that's it. I hope everyone's doing great. Until the next video, hope to see you in the next video. Bye.